Geez, Glenn, it's been a long day.
Yeah, it has been long and we're still working.
It can't be work and eat.
Yeah, sure.
Well, this happened to be, I've got the barbecue running. I got some temperature probes in there. Let's see if the temperature's good.
Wow, this sounds like a still working episode to me.
It is.
Let's have a look.
209 degrees, ready to go.
Perfect. So Freddie, we're down at the barbecue. What have we got here?
Well, Glenn, since we're at the beautiful Middle Valley, Victoria, Australia, and tonight we've been hosted by our good friends from Middle Valley Beef, which is providing this beautiful cut of meat for us tonight. So, John, you want to tell us a bit more about this beef?
I'd love to, Freddie. This meat comes, of course, from prime quality cattle within the Middle Valley. There's 15 producers that produce this beef, so it's absolutely the best that you can get your hands on. Grass-fed beef from the Middle Valley with 41-inch rainfall, pristine streams. It can't be any better than this.
Oh, that sounds great, eh?
This is sounding good. I'm looking forward to this beef. Now I've opened up the barbecue, Freddie. I've placed the temperature sensor right inside the beef to get the measurement. We've also got our infrared temperature sensor here looking at the barbecue overall. We've got it hooked up to our master, out to the cloud. What are the critical points about cooking beef?
Well, I guess, Glenn, in saying that, when you cook a beautiful piece of meat like this, temperature is absolutely critical. So that's why we have it connected to our sophisticated cloud system to give you the accurate result for a best outcome. So the last temperature we checked was about 37.6.
It's getting close.
Yeah, so we're aiming for about 45, I'd say. So we keep on checking it.
Yep.
And we should be feeding soon.
Sure, we'll come back soon and we'll check to make sure we're at that 45-degree mark. Beautiful. Freddie, these sensors are used in an industrial environment. They're not meant for barbecues, but we know that these are still working in harsh conditions. Maybe it's time to test the meat.
That's a good idea, Glenn. Let's have
go.
a look.
Freddie, it's ready.
Oh, dinner time.